Welcome back, everyone. I forgot to completely do this. A couple videos back I had mentioned about using Google to find your cell phone. It works for an Android phone. I have mine here, Galaxy phone, tied in with my Gmail account. If you've lost your phone, as long as the phone still has power and is able to connect to the cell phone networks and GPS is turned on your phone, you can ping your phone. Sometimes GPS doesn't have to be on it. It could be in a Wi-Fi area. So if you can find it that way, that's what you do. But anyways, to do that, you just go to Google. We'll open up here on the computer. You're going to type in Find My Device. And you're going to make sure you go to the right website. There are a bunch of fake ones out there that are used to steal your usernames and passwords. The one you want to go to, make sure it says google.com. Android, find my device, and it's Google. So we're going to go there, and it's not going to find my phone account at this moment because we're using the backup account. I need to switch over to my account because my phone is tied into my real account. And we are going to see if we can find it. It's already located at Computer Garage, go figure. But some of the other things you could do is play sounds, like if you've lost it in your couch cushion. You can hear it. That's not the phone ringing. That's it. So we'll stop ringing. Yeah, so you could refresh it, and it'll tell you where your phone is. If this, and this is only good, we zoom in here and you can see, it says it's a 30-meter radius. That's a good distance. The only time you get any tighter than this is law enforcement can ping a phone to a lot more accuracy. But this is going to give you a general area where to search. So if it's in your home, it's somewhere in your home or in your car or something like that. So this is going to give you a general location of where it's at. And so, again, and you could do this also if you have your Gmail tied into your kids' cell phone. I know some parents do this. Their kids go out, they haven't checked in at a certain time, or they just want to make sure the kids are going where they're supposed to. They can actually log into Find My Device and ping their phone. Now, something to note, though, is when you do that, let me see if I can find it here. When you ping a phone, yes, there it is. I don't know if you could see it very well. But it says, device located on your phone. So it gives a notification on the phone that it's been pinged. Anti-privacy or a privacy issue? I don't know, but that's how you can tell. But yeah, you just refresh it and it'll ping it back and tell you where your phone is. That little ding is where every time I've pinged my phone. Secure device, which means you can lock your phone. So if you have lost it, can't find it, you can sign out of all of your accounts. Erase device. I have never done this. I don't know anyone who has ever done this. But in theory, you can erase your phone remotely if you have lost it, or if you feel it's fallen into other people's hands. As long as it is powered on, has a connection to the cell phone or the Wi-Fi network, you can trigger this, and it supposedly wipes the phone. It also locks it too, from what I'm understanding. So, again, that's how you find your Android phone. If you've lost it, you can ping it, and like I said, you can use it also to track your kids if that's what you want to do. You just have to put your Google account on their phone. So just a neat little tool to use. Cell phones are expensive. This was not cheap. I think most of us who have cell phones know that the good ones are not cheap. They cost as much as a computer. Well, basically, and that's what it is a computer that takes phone calls. So just again, like I said, you go into Google Find, or you go into Google, you type in Find My Device, make sure you go into the right site, sign into your Google account if you need to, and it should find your device right away or tell you where it's at. It will even tell you if it is somewhere else, like someone has actually stolen it or it's on the move. Like I said, as long as it's powered on, it will show you physically it moving on the map. Pretty interesting. It's not 100% accurate. Like I said, it brings you down to a 30 meter radius. That's a pretty good distance around. That's like almost 100 feet circle. So, but at least it gives you an idea where it's at. So that was the video I wanted to do. I forgot to do it, and I had mentioned it in a previous video, so hopefully that is a piece of tool or a piece of information that you now have that you could do with your Android phone, provided your Google information is on your phone. Like I said, I'm sure Apple has something similar to it. I just don't know. I'm not an Apple person. I like the Microsoft stuff and I like the Google stuff. So anyways, you guys have a great day. I'm going to leave you, and we'll do another video another time. Later.